Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anca and I do illustration related videos. So for today's video I'm reviewing a watercolor set from Faber Castell. It's their starter kit watercolor box of 12 colors, and I received this as a gift from my brother a while ago, actually in December, and I totally forgot I had them and I didn't really use them, so I thought it would be great if I reviewed them for you guys. So as usual with all my reviews, I start off by swatching each color to see how they look, if they're streaky, if they're vibrant, how they blend together and stuff like that. This set retails on Amazon for £6.47, so it's very cheap considering the fact that the tubes are pretty large and you get 12 colors which you can mix. So overall I think it's a really good price for the quantity you get. My thoughts after swatching them are that the dry down time is very fast and they dry down matte, which I really enjoyed. Some colors though can be streaky and you have to build them up a bit to get the full opacity, but I think the color selection is really good and I really enjoy the cobalt blue. I think that's a very unique color which I didn't really have in any other of my set. Also a little bit goes a long way, so you just have to put a tiny drop on your palette and that should be enough for a small illustration, and I think they mix pretty well together. So this set is probably geared towards beginners, so I think it's a good set to start off if you don't want to spend too much money. And the only downside I found is that the colors are not so vibrant, so they look a bit dull since they dry down so matte. And also I recently did a review on the Vivua color sheets, so maybe that has influenced my thoughts on the saturation of the colors, because those colors are so saturated and this kind of pale in comparison. So for today's illustration, as you will be seeing, I am doing a teepee illustration with some floral decorative elements, and this is actually the illustration for my $1 patrons. I do a monthly desktop wallpaper and mobile and tablet wallpaper for my $1 tier, so if you're interested in that I will leave my Patreon link down below. But anyways, these are pretty much my thoughts on this set. I think it's a good set if you don't want to splurge and if you just want to try out some watercolors and see how they perform. Also, I wanted to announce that next week there will be no video because I will be in New York. Actually, it's my first time going to America, so I'm pretty excited about that, and I decided to take a 1-week break from YouTube since I will be gone for 2 weeks. But don't worry, I'll be back with more content and hopefully be more inspired after this trip. And yeah, that's pretty much what I wanted to say. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you've tried these watercolors and what are your thoughts on them. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! I like to love you every day. I like to love you.